In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create, promote, and manage your events in Constant Contact. Whether you're new to this platform or simply want to ensure you're making the most of it, this guide will walk you through the essential steps. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log into your Constant Contact account. If you haven't yet set up an account, you can easily sign up on their website and follow the prompts to get started. Once you're logged in, head over to the Campaigns section. Here, you'll see a variety of options, but go ahead and click on Create, and from the drop-down menu, select Event. This is where the magic begins. Next, you'll be presented with the choice of using a pre-designed event template or starting completely from scratch. Templates are great for those looking for a bit of inspiration or time-saving options. If you have a specific vision in mind, feel free to go the custom route and tailor it entirely to your liking. Once you've selected or created your layout, it's now time to fill in the event specifics. This includes the event name, date, time, and location. Be sure to craft a compelling description that highlights what attendees can expect. Don't forget to upload any relevant images that can give potential attendees a visual feel for the event. If your event requires ticketing or registration, this is the time to set that up. Constant Contact makes it straightforward to organize these elements, ensuring that you can efficiently manage attendee numbers and expectations. Then, move on to customizing the registration form to gather any necessary information from your attendees. You'll also want to personalize the confirmation emails that will automatically be sent out upon registration, providing a welcoming touch. Now, it's crucial to think about who you're inviting. You can choose from an existing contact list or, if needed, upload a new one. This step ensures that your invites reach the right audience, maximizing the potential turnout for your event. Before you make anything official, take a moment to preview your event email and registration page. This step is vital to catch any last-minute changes or errors before it goes live. Once you're happy with everything, the final step is to promote your event by clicking Activate or scheduling it for a later date. This action sends out your invites and opens your registration page to the public. Lastly, after your event is live, utilize the event dashboard within Constant Contact to track registrations and manage attendees. This tool is key in keeping everything organized, allowing you to view attendance patterns and make any necessary adjustments. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to hosting a successful event with Constant Contact. Happy event planning!